Assalamu alaikum viewers. In the today session, we will discuss about the lead poisoning. As you know very well, the lead is a heavy toxic metal. When it is a reach at the blood level, it may damage the brain, kidney, liver, heart, and blood itself. When the lead reach at the blood level, it cross the blood-brain barrier and it will go to deposit into the brain tissues, which may affect the intellectual properties of the brain. So the IQ level of the children has become decreased due to the lead poisoning. So the sources of the lead is due to the contaminated food, contaminated water. If the lead level is quite much is higher at the ground water level, so it may cause the lead poisoning. The paint, the gasoline, and the coal mine. These are the rich resources where the adult or the children are exposed or get the source of the lead. So the children under the 5 years, the pregnant woman, those children are the adults which is all working in the recycling of the battery factories, and those children are the adults which is all working in the denting and painting of the automobile shops or the factories, especially the painter and the coal miners. They are frequently exposed or inhale the lead. Let's to come up about the global facts and figure. According to the UNICEF and the WHO 2023 report, that around 1.6 million children has been died due to the lead poisoning. According to the same report of the WHO and the UNICEF 2023, that the 30% of all the children who are fall down in the intellectuality disability is just because of the lead poisoning. So it means the huge proportion has caused due to the lead poisoning among the intellectuality disabled children. It is put on the economy around $6 trillion annually, or the global economy burden, which is equal to the 7% of the total GDP of the global. And this burden is annually put by the lead poisoning. If the lead level has become increased from the 5 to 10 microgram per deciliter, it will decrease the IQ level among the children from 5 to 10 points of the IQ, according to the World Bank report 2023. So we can say around among one out of the three children, which is equal to 800 millions at the global level, have the blood lead level at least 5 microgram per deciliter. It means the globally the children, which is the children of the 800 millions, have the blood lead level at least 5 microgram per deciliter. Yeah, you can say one out of the three children have the blood lead level 5 microgram per deciliter at least. So it is a huge proportion. Now let's to come up on the facts and figure at the Pakistan level. The facts and figure Pakistan level is a more worsen as compared of the global level. Around 47 million of the children are affected the blood lead levels. Their blood level is more than at least 5 microgram per deciliter, according to the UNICEF report 2022. And the study which was conducted by the AKU in 2021, that the 70% of the children of the major cities like Karachi, Faisalabad, Lahore, Peshawar, their blood level at least 5 microgram per deciliter. According to the World Bank report 2023, that the every children of the Pakistani, the average 6.5 point of their IQ level lost every year, lost due to the lead poisoning, which is the huge proportion in the sense of the intellectual property. The same one at the Pakistan, the lead poisoning put the economic burden of the 40 million annually, which is the 7%, the 8%, 7.8% of the total GDP budget of the Pakistan. And this loss, economic loss, put the burden on the economy of the Pakistan every year. And this is the report by the World Bank. So the Pakistani children are getting the lead poisoning by the paint, or those children are there which are working in the automobile vehicles for the denting and painting repairs. Those painter which are working in the painting industries, and those are worker which are the miner in the coal mine or in the mine factories, they are frequently exposed to getting the lead levels or the lead poisoning. So for such type of the informative lecture, remains in touch with the HPH YouTube channel. And the last, I request to subscribe my YouTube channel HPH and follow my Facebook page Sher Mohammad Azara, and also the TikTok Sher Mohammad Azara. And the last, I request to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get the new lecture as soon as I upload on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.